Hello students, welcome to the General Knowledge series. In this video, let's see the coding and decoding. It is an important part of the logical reasoning section in all aptitude related examination, so it will be useful to you all. Let's see what is coding. It's the process used to encrypt a word or a number in a particular code or pattern based on some set of rules. Decoding means it's the process of decrypt the pattern into the original form, just the opposite of coding. In this video, let's see some letter coding. In such type of questions, alphabets of a word are replaced by some other alphabets according to the specific rules so that we can form a code for a particular word. Let's see the questions one by one. If wind is written as YKPE, how can be DINE written in the code? When we closely observe, wind is written as YKPE. W is changed to Y. So when we look at the chart, W is changed to Y means it need to move 2 times forward. Then only it can reach Y. So W is changed to Y, I also JK, then N, OP, D, EF. So 2 times it skipped forward. So using the same set of rules, if you are forming DINE, you will get DEF, then I, JK, then N, OP, E, F, G. So our answer is FKPG. Now the second question, if fish means HKUJ, what does UVCD means? Fish. F is changed to H. F is changed to H means F is skipped 2 times forward. That is how it becomes H. Same in the case of I. I is turned to I, J, K, K. S to U, H to H, I, J. So J. So this is how the fish formed. So same technique we are applying to UVCD. You will get U is turned to W, V, VWX, so X, C, D, E, so E, D, E, F, so F. So you will get the answer WXEF. Now the third question, if doctor is written as DPCUOS, how would nurse be written? Here when we observe the code, alternate letters are only changing. So D is remaining as it is. O is changed. O is changed to P. That means it moves forward one times. C the same. T is again changing. C, T is changed to U. Then O remains the same. R changes to S. So when we apply the same technique to nurse, N there itself, N as N itself, U is turned to V, R is same, S becomes T, E same. So you will get the answer NVRTE. Now the fourth question, it's a different type of question. December is written as REBMECED. In that code, which word would be written as REBMEVON? Here, the encrypted word is given. We have to find out the original word. So, December, how it is written in the form of REBMECED? Let's find out. R, that means the last will be the first, second last will be the second, third last will be the third. Like that, when we form, you will get the December in this form. Then same technique when we apply for the given code, you will get November as the answer. So our answer for this question is November. Now the fifth question, if mental is written as EMTNLA, how would physical be written? When we closely observe this, mental M is changed. It is swapping the adjacent letters. Swapping means changing, alternating. So ME is changed, NT is swapped, AL is also swapped. That is how this chord forms. Same technique when we apply to physical, it becomes HP, YS will be SY, IC will be CI, and AL become LA. So you will get the answer HP, SY, CI, LA. Now the sixth question, if star is written as VWRYH, how would words be written? Here when we observe such question, the given hint and the given word all contains the same letters. All these letters in the given word is there in stove. So you can easily replace those words. Otherwise, with the chart also you can do that. When we observe this, S is turned to V. S turning to V means we need to skip 3 times. So you can do it in that way also, but simply assign the letters, that will be easier, more easier. When we look at this, V corresponding letter for V is Y. O, for O it is R. For T it is W. For E it is H. For S it is V. So you can simply substitute the letters. So the answer is YRWHB. Now the seventh question. In certain coding system, company is written as BNLOZMX. In that code, which code will be written for business? When we observe it, company, C is converted to B. That means here it is skipping backward once. So each letter is skipping backwards once. O is turned to N. M is turning to L. P is turning to O. A is turning to there. A is turning to Z. N is turning to M and Y is turning to X. So in that case, when we apply the same technique to business, it will become B is turning to A. In that way, you will get the answer. ATRH, MDRR. So just skipping backward once. Now, eighth question, if school is written as LOOHCS, how would college be written? It's very simple. Just reverse the string. School, LOOHCS. So college becomes E, G, E, L, L, O, and C. So it's very simple. The answer is EGELLOC. Now, ninth question. If remember is written as MBERREME, how would forget be written? When we observe this, you can see the word is split to two halves. The first half is moved to the last and the second half moved to the first. So that has happened in the case of remember. So MBER become the first half. then REME becomes the second half. So that is happened in this case. So let's split this forget also. For and get, two words. So get comes to the front and then the for. Get will be the first word and the for will be the second word. To splitting like this, the number of length of the string must be even. Otherwise, it's not possible. Now the 10th question. If central is written as ACLRPYJ, how would lantern be written? Central, when we look at this, C is converted to A. That means it is skipping backward twice. So this is how it forms. E skipping backward twice means it turned to C. N skipping backward means it turned to L. So in this way we have formed the letters. So same technique applying to L, it is turning 2 times backward. So in this way also we can find out the answer. Commonly available letters can be replaced. A, N, all these letters are already in central. So that can be easily written. Others just apply the technique. So this is how we do the coding and decoding. So let's have some extra knowledge also. Just understand the term cryptography, what this cryptography means and where it is used. Just go through that. Try to find the answer yourself. That's all in this video. Thank you.